guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video, we're gonna learn how to hide WooCommerce products prices for logged out users. So, how to require login to view prices in a simple, fast, effective, and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. So, after this, go to your WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard? Your domain plus WP admin or WP login into the browser search bar and enter with the username, email, and password. Okay, after you're gonna be into a page almost like this one. I'm gonna start this guide assuming that you already have your WooCommerce plugin installed, you already had created your products. If you don't know how to do this, there is a playlist on our Visual Modo YouTube channel called WooCommerce, full of tutorials explaining how to do things part by part. After this, imagine that this product right here shouldn't be able to share price for logged out potential clients. So, how to hide this price and require login to view pricing? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the search for plugins, we're gonna type WP code, just like this. Here is the guide we're looking for: WP code, insert headers and footers, custom code snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install now. Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, you're gonna be able to find next to settings a new menu called code snippets. Hover a mouse over it and click on add snippet with this plus button. Then we're gonna add your custom code, new snippet. The plugin gonna try to understand what code it is, and it's a PHP snippet. So all I have to do is select PHP. You can type the snippet title in the case that you want, okay? It's important to keep things organized, so do the best to describe the title that you wish. Copy the code that I'm gonna leave into the first comment of this video. Here is the code. Change the switcher for inactive to active and hit the save snippet button, this blue button, into the upper right corner of your screen. Then this code works hiding product by product. So imagine that you wish to hide this product right here specifically. So go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over products, find the product that you would like to hide, hover a mouse over it, and you can see the ID. In this case, 394. Okay, so 394. Copy this ID, go to the code, review the code from the beginning, and right here we have this not purchasable products. Alright, so you need to enter the ID right here. In the case that you want to add more, all you have to do is use the comma and enter a new ID, 23. So 23, just like this, okay? And enter ID by ID, just like this. Hit the update button, and you are good to go. Now, all you have to do is log out to check the results you got. There is another piece of code right here that you can customize the URL that you would like to change. For example, get permalink and enter the permalink right here. But in the case that you have any question, feel free to use the comments so I can help you with the code. The code, as it is, as you're gonna copy, will hide the products as long as you enter the ID right here. After changing, hit the update button. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.